Come make some buttery shortbread with me. First, you will need 110 grams of sugar and 225 grams of butter. Mix together with a wooden spoon until all combined and butter is light and fluffy. Then sift in 225 grams of plain flour. And also sieve in 110 grams of corn flour. I mix it with a spoon at first, but then with washed hands, combine it all together until you form a dough. Your hands may get sticky, but by putting flour on your hands, this can help, or just persevere with it and will start to form together. Once dough has formed, you can then place it in the fridge for an hour. Now with some flour, scatter on your surface and your rolling pin and roll out into approximately 1 centimetre thick, or however thick you would like. I like to use round cutters, but you can cut into shortbread fingers if you would like. Cut out what you can with your dough, then set them aside. Then reshape the dough and roll again with some more flour. If you find your dough is crumbling and you won't stick it together, put it back in the fridge for another 20 minutes to set. Once you have all your shortbread, place on a baking tray with baking paper. Then using a fork, pierce some holes gently on top of each biscuit. Now sprinkle each biscuit with some caster sugar, and finally it's ready to go into a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 20 minutes. When out of oven, the biscuits will be soft. I then recut the biscuits very carefully to get a lovely round edge. Careful though, as they will be hot. Place the cut-offs to the side and, like me, eat whilst waiting for the biscuits to cool. Then place the biscuits on a wire rack to cool so the biscuits will harden. Your biscuits are now ready to enjoy. Please like and subscribe for future recipes.